Hi friends, let us explore the topic of crowdsourcing in big data analytics. Let us see what is crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing is a method of obtaining ideas, services, content, or funding from a large group of people, typically via the internet, instead of from traditional employees or suppliers. As you see in the diagram, we are involving public participation through internet connectivity to outsource a task. Let us further explore the concepts of crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing is a sourcing model in which an individual or an organization gets support from a large, open minded, and rapidly evolving group of people in the form of ideas, micro tasks, finances, etc. Crowdsourcing typically involves the use of the internet to attract a large group of people to divide tasks or to achieve a target. Crowdsourcing is the act of collecting services, ideas, or content through the contributions of a large group of people. Let us see crowdsourcing process. The first step is to define a task. A company or an organization or individual what they need from the public. It may be a design, ideas or data or money, etc. The next step is publish the task. That is, we have to post the task on a platform like Kickstarter or Amazon Mechanical Turk so that it reaches the public. Third step is crowd participates. That is, people all around the world they will contribute for the particular task. Next step, review and select. That is, the company or the organizer evaluates the submission what they receive from the public and pick the winner based on their requirement. The next step, that is final step, reward and use. That is, contributors are rewarded with the money, recognition or equity, and the best output it will be used for their business. Let us discuss examples for crowdsourcing. The German car company Skoda, they wanted to introduce a new subcompact SUV car, sports utility vehicle in India. They organized a campaign, Name Your Skoda, where the public was invited to suggest name for the new SUV car. The winner will get a new Skoda car as a prize. The name of the new Skoda SUV car, Kailak, was not chosen by Skoda internally, but it was the result of the campaign organized by the Skoda car company, where 2 lakh entries were received with more than 24,000 unique names. The winning name Kailak was suggested by Muhammad Shiat, a Quran teacher from Kasargod, Kerala. The winning name Kailak it was derived from the Sanskrit word for crystal and was inspired by Mount Kailash. The next example for crowdsourcing is Doritos, an American brand. They launched the Crash the Super Bowl contest in 2006, inviting their fans to create 30-second commercial advertisement for their product so that they can use it during the highly anticipated Super Bowl game. Even now, the company organizes the Crash the Super Bowl contest periodically to get creative advertisement for their product from the fans. Another good example for crowdsourcing is Lay's, a chips manufacturing company. They organized a contest do as a flavor and used crowdsourcing as an idea generating medium. They asked the customer to submit their opinion about the next chip flavor they want. Crowdsourcing is better exploited by data entry outsourcing companies for high volume data entry tasks. That is, the company divides the task into smaller tasks and get it done from expertise in remote places all around the world. Crowdfunding. With crowdfunding, large groups of people come together to fund a project. Kickstarter is a popular example of crowdfunding platform. People can contribute even a very smaller amount for a project. Starbucks, another big venture coffee company, it used crowdsourcing as a medium for idea generation. The White Cup contest is a famous contest conducted by Starbucks in which customers need to decorate their Starbucks cup with an original design and take a photo and submit it on social media. Advantages of crowdsourcing. First one is cost effective, cheaper than hiring experts or full-time teams because the company is going to pay only for the winners, that too only for only one time. Next advantage is speed. Many people work simultaneously, so faster results are possible. Numerous people can contribute for the same task, so we can get the results very fast. Third advantage is innovation, that is, diverse perspectives. It leads to creative solutions because we can get a variety of ideas from different people. Next advantage is scalability. Handle massive tasks. Example, labeling millions of images. Next one is access to global talent. That is, we can tap into skills worldwide without any limitation of physical boundary. Next advantage is validation. Test ideas with real users before investing in a particular business or a venture. The future of crowdsourcing. Crowdsourcing will be very much applicable in the areas of problem solving, innovation, data task, collective intelligence, and collaborative efforts.